just Warren's back was hurting and Lois came by to help, that's all.
Oh, come on! They're doing it again!
Oh my God, it's like spring break up there.
I knew it.
Deborah! Are you getting back together again or not?
Well, no, but
What? If you're not getting back together, then what the hell are you doing?
Hello.